Welcome to Ray Shikshan Sanstha's online learning program. Standard 6th. Hello students. This is chapter 2.5, The Silver House. It's a poem written by John Lee. So the poem basically depicts the moon here. The poet is basically talking about the moon and he is imagining that a man is living inside the moon. So let's start. There is a silver house in the lovely sky, as round as a silver crown. It takes 2 weeks to build it up and 2 to pull it down. So the poet is telling that there is a silver house in the lovely sky. He says that the sky is beautiful and there is a house which is silver in color and it is as round as a silver crown. As you can see in the picture, also it's probably talking about the moon which is shining brightly and it is silver in color and round as a silver crown. It takes 2 weeks or you can say 15 days to be a full circle and 2 weeks that the moon is not seen at all. There is a man who lives in the silver house in a lonely sort of way. But what is his name? Is no one knows or no one likes to say. So the poet imagines that there is also a man who lives in a house, but nobody knows about it, or maybe nobody wants to say it. But he is sure that there is a man that lives in the house. Since he lives alone, so he is saying that in a lonely sort of way. Yet, when you go to bed tonight, just draw the window blind and peep out at the silver moon, this lonely man to find. So he says that if you want to see or find that lonely man, you can just peep out of the window when you go to bed and you will see the man. But if his house is taken down and all the sky is bare, then go to bed because of course the poor man won't be there. So if his house is taken down means that if there is no moon in the sky and sky is without light, dark and bare, then go to bed because you won't be finding the man, because the man lives in the moon and the moon is not there, so the man won't be there. So I think you enjoyed the poem and understood it. Now we have some new words here. Just read the word and try to find the meanings of these words. Thank you.